Hello there. That is a Ford 6000 CD stereo, and it has a special feature called Audio Distortion Reduction, which for some reason gets shortened to clip. Go figure. According to the car's owner's manual, this system automatically detects sound distortion and reduces the unit's volume until the distortion has been eliminated. That sounds very useful indeed, so let's set it up. Welcome to Car Spy TV. Okay, step one is to turn the stereo on, just like that, and now we'll give it a moment to boot up. Come on, there we go. Next, we need to press and hold down the menu button until TA distant appears. Now press menu again, and again, and again, and now it says clip detect off. We'll press the right arrow to turn it on, and then menu again to save the setting and leave that menu. Now that system's on, it should minimise any sound distortion, but, and this is important, don't let it trick you into thinking there's something wrong with your stereo. Specifically, with the system on, you might manually raise the volume of the stereo and even see the volume indicator rise on the screen, but without getting any actual increase in volume. Don't worry, that's just the system doing its thing. And of course, if you want to turn off audio distortion reduction, just reverse the process I've already shown you. I'm going indoors now. And while I do that, don't forget to subscribe to Car Spy TV, do me a favour and click like on this video, and I'll see you next time when there won't be any audio distortion. Bye bye.